Petroleum jelly, cheap, simple, and when used correctly, it is the most effective Looksmaxxing tool for under $5. Forget the silly hacks. These are the real 6 tricks that actually work to make you look instantly more attractive. Trick 1. The No-Shimmer Skin Filter. The biggest difference between looking good and looking flawless is the texture of your skin. We're aiming for glass skin, not glitter ball. This is the No-Shimmer Skin Filter. Powder highlighters can emphasize texture, pores, and fine lines. Vaseline does the opposite. Take a pinhead-sized amount, seriously, less is more, and press it high on the outer corner of your cheekbone and slightly above the brow arch. It creates a continuous, wet sheen that blurs imperfections and gives you that expensive, perpetually dewy look. It's what makeup artists call a sheen, not a shimmer. It looks like your skin is just perfectly hydrated. This is the main event. Trick 2. Lash and brow density. Thicker, darker lashes and brows give your face instant definition and symmetry. This isn't about hold, it's about density. Before bed, brush it through your lashes and brows. Why? Vaseline seals in moisture. For hair, especially thin hair, this reduces breakage over time and makes the individual hairs look thicker, darker, and slightly shinier. The instant effect. When it coats the hair, it makes the color deeper, giving the illusion of a full, defined lash line and a denser brow. It's an easy, consistent nighttime routine that actually pays off. Trick 3. Setting the under-eye concealer. Creasing concealer? It ages you 10 years instantly. This hack is about smoothness and longevity. After you've applied and blended your concealer, take a tiny amount. We're back to the pinhead size, and tap it only on the outer corners of your under-eye area where lines form first. It acts as a barrier, preventing dry skin from sucking the moisture out of the concealer and causing it to crease. It keeps the area plumped, smooth, and looking fresh for hours. It's better than powder for anyone with dry skin. Trick 4. The lip line barrier. We want juicy, pillowy lips. The key to this is preventing moisture loss and treating the lip boundary. This is a two-parter. First, a thick coat acts as an intensive hydrating mask. Second, when you apply it, don't just stay on the lips. Gently extend it just over the lip line. This reduces the appearance of the small vertical lines that cause lipstick bleeding, making your lip border look sharper and more defined. A defined border equals a more youthful, plumper pout. Use it as an overnight mask, and you'll wake up to instantly softer lips. Trick 5. The sealed fragrance trick. Smelling good is the ultimate subtle attractiveness booster. This is a scientific fix for weak perfume projection. Your skin's natural oils help lock fragrance in. Vaseline is an occlusive. It mimics and enhances this process. Rub a small amount on your pulse points before you spray your perfume. The fragrance molecules bind to the Vaseline instead of sinking into your skin and evaporating. Your scent will last longer, project better, and you'll spend less on reapplying. Instant upgrade. Trick 6. The emergency cuticle reset. Looksmaxxing is about polish and detail. Nothing ruins a look like dry, ragged cuticles. Quick fix. A small dab rubbed into your cuticles instantly makes your hands look cleaner, well-maintained, and more cared for. Do this before an event or a meeting. Long-term fix. Consistently use it every night. Healthy cuticles make your nails look longer and your hands look softer. It's a minor detail with a major payoff in perceived elegance. These 6 tricks aren't temporary cover-ups. They are foundational techniques used by pros for real, noticeable aesthetic improvement. It proves you don't need a viral product or a massive budget to look your absolute best. Focus on the texture of your skin, the density of your features, and the small details. Try the No-Shimmer Skin Filter today. It will change your entire look. Let me know which trick gave you the best results in the comments.